So I light it up and feel the rest. Here's how you wanna be remembered. Doing blowing side streets, cold like December.
Right? Oh, mother! Hello everyone! As you can tell, I am not currently in my normal location, and that is because I am at a cottage. Every year, my family and I, on my in-law side, we rent a cottage for a week. We went to a new cottage this year, and it is absolutely stunning. Plus, we all have bedrooms, which is a feat when there's 12 of you. And so I thought it'd be fun to do a get ready with me because every year we pick a day and we do family photos. So everyone brings up makeup and all of their supplies and everything for this one day because those are gonna be like our Christmas pictures in December. We'll go outside, we'll get ready. I'll show you guys like a little bit around the cottage and what we've been up to. And I thought that would just be really fun. Bring you guys along on the cottage experience, you know? Plus today's video, so excited, is sponsored by Dyson. And you guys know how much I love Dyson. Today I'm going to be using the Dyson Supersonic Blow Dryer. If you guys remember, if you're OG, you probably remember this. I did a video with the Dyson Supersonic Blow Dryer when it first launched. I think it was in 2016. Hello! This is the Dyson Supersonic Blow Dryer. I've used it every single day when I blow dry my hair. Since then, I use it on my daughter's hair, and hence why I brought it to the cottage, because it is literally the best, in my personal opinion. So we're gonna start, go and blow dry my hair, then go sit outside and do some makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you do, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos here every Thursday and Sunday. Again, big thanks to Dyson for supporting this video, and without further ado, let's get into this. Okay, so we're in the bathroom now. Clearly my hair is air dried a bit, but it looks a lot drier than it actually is. I have very fine hair, but I have a lot of it, so it'll dry naturally to like this very nice limp, stringy mess. And I have super oily hair too, so blow drying is a must for me. All the adjustments on the blow dryer are on the back to adjust the heat and the airflow depending on your hair type. I like medium heat and high airflow myself personally. And then I like to start without any attachments to the head of the nozzle first and tip my head over to maximize volume. You'll notice this is a trend in blow drying my hair. And I love that I can get this volume and not have to worry about frying my hair with extreme heat because the Dyson dryer uses airflow, a very consistent temperature, so your hair stays healthy and shiny, but I still get that volume. So now I will put on the smoothing nozzle. You'll see it attaches with a magnet and it's not hot. So you'll notice throughout the video that I will adjust it and move it depending on where I'm sort of blow drying my hair, what direction, and it's not hot at all, which is awesome. So then I'll start flipping my hair kind of back and forth and kind of blow drying it in the opposite direction to where my hair would naturally lay, so I can again build in that volume, right? It's just, it needs to happen. The smoothing nozzle is also really good for kind of smoothing out, hence the name, the top layers so they get nice and shiny on top, but I don't disrupt the rest of the hair. I don't flatten out any of that volume either. And now obviously I am extra. I brought a Dyson blow dryer. I also brought my Dyson fan to the cottage, but I didn't bring the air wrap curler, which is now back in stock in Canada if you've been eyeing it. Oh, also here's a sneaky trick for all of my oily haired people out there. I love using dry shampoo right after I blow dry my hair. It almost acts like a protectant to keep my hair from getting oily so quickly versus treating the oil after it's already there. By the way, do you love that I don't like spritz it into my hair? I just dump it into my palm because I use so much. But now my hair is blow dried, so now onto the makeup. Right now is when it needs to be windy. We also did campfire last night, which was a lot of fun, and I always think that I like s'mores more than I actually do. Don't at me. I don't know why. I think they're so good and I want to love them, so I keep eating them. They're not as good as I think they are. Now on to concealer. Why I brought 3 concealers with me? Because you're extra. I am extra. Hey!
Speaking of extra, who hasn't showered in a couple days?
Why shower when you can braid my hair?
It seems inconsiderate to make someone do your hair. It's a little bit like French fry grease.
Well, that was my hair before I showered. But then I showered, hey!
What is this?
This is the Tarte Double Duty setting spray. It smells like cucumbers. Yeah.
Oh!
Yeah, nobody's mad at it, right?
Oh, mother! Did you spray it in your eye?
I certainly
Are
did.
you okay?
I have a boo-boo. Hey, Mom.
I'll take that.
If you're in a helpless situation, it's just Mama. Mom.
Bye-bye. Now we're gonna do some brows. I don't know why I'm doing brow when I haven't set my face yet, but we're just gonna go with it. I'm at a cottage. So anyway, we've been making s'mores. and we have been going on paddle boats. I think there's even like a paddle board here. So many activities. We actually have games. I don't know if you can see some of the games behind me there. There's been some new ones, which I have not tried yet, but there's something about like a frisbee and you like throw it and then the other person has to smash it into a canister or something. I think it started as like a garbage bin, but it's been really nice to just relax. I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I don't relax very easily or very often. So we've been down by the dock for a while and just hanging out down there. There's like a big floaty toy out there in the lake. I was debating putting my makeup on it. I feel like if I have my brows done, the rest of my face doesn't really matter because brows. You don't necessarily have to have like perfect everything makeup, but if your brows look good. Do you guys have any like annual trips that you do or annual like traditions that you have with your families? Let me know. Let me know in the comments. Now putting on a little lip balm. This is Glossier, by the way. It smells like mangoes. Oh, it's so good. Now we're gonna go on to blush. I'm gonna use the Flower Beauty Blush Balm. And outside of the cottage, we have been doing a lot of renovations, as you guys know, on our house. Lots of stuff going on. Currently, it is the basement getting redone. It was a completely unfinished basement. And now we're finishing it, and we're gonna have like a kid's playroom down there and an office for Chris and an extra bedroom, things like that. And then right now, while we're at the cottage, they're demoing our master bathroom. So that should be interesting. I'm probably gonna put up some before and after videos on those renovations and the process and everything on each of them on RachhLoves Life if you're interested. I always forget how much more like real your face looks outside versus inside. Getting all these like, see all those sparkles? It's from my little makeup bag. Look, it changes. Honestly, I feel like the renovation that I'm most excited about is the kitchen. I don't know what we're doing with it yet. That's still being decided. We're changing over the countertops and changing the color of the cabinets and like doing a bunch of stuff. So if you have any ideas or any like really pretty kitchens you want to send me on Instagram, hit me up, at me and some photos. I love that stuff. All right, now on to bronzer. Oh gosh, did I forget to bring, oh no I didn't. Thought I forgot bronzer. Real life problems, you know? I think after the photos, I think I want to go paddleboarding. Have you guys ever done paddleboarding before? I went like years ago in LA, not in LA, but that side, west side. I haven't been in so long and it was so much fun. I remember having the best time when I went. And so I really want to try it again and see if I can actually stand up. I'm going to be using some of the ColourPop. So you're pretty. All these colors are blinding me. Just going to pop some of these neutral browns into the crease a bit. It's kind of sloppy, but you know what? It works. I feel like I can only kind of half see what I'm doing. Look how low I put that. I swear I've only had coffee. And then of course I need highlight because that's the other thing that shows up really well in photos. Highlight. So we're gonna be using the RachhLoves Pixie Layers Highlighting Palette, and I am going to be using probably a mixture of lace and clutch on the inner corner. A little bit. We are extra at the cottage, but we don't need to go gala. And then a little clutch on the cheekbones. Maybe I'll throw in a little bit of tea too, which is a bit more goldy. I love how you cannot appreciate at all how blinding this is. Cause shade. Can we see it now? Can we see it now? Press a little bit on the nose, Cupid's bow, but not too much on the Cupid's bow. That it just looks like I have a mustache. And then for mascara today, that's a contour one, Rachel. I brought the YSL The Shock Mascara. Go glam or go home. Oh my gosh, I'm like sweating. Sweating out here. Wow, it's been 2 days since I put on mascara and I'm like, wow, I forgot I had eyelashes. Boom. Not super cottagey, but wow. They are clumpy lashes, but I love it. Okay, now we're gonna throw on a little gloss. A little spray. Hi, Brendan.
Hola.
Okay, let's setting spray. I like entirely miss my face. How did I do that? It's not even that windy. Ooh, I can use wind. Mother Nature's setting fan. And then for lip, I'm gonna start with a Satin Lip. This is by Rimmel, I think. Yes, it is. We're not gonna do gloss yet, because wind. Such a pretty, like, nudie pink. So I have 3 sisters-in-law, and 2 of them are married. 1 to Brendan, who's just walking around over there. 1 to Mark, and then Scott, it's dating Caroline, whom you've seen in videos. Dibs. And then my mother-in-law, my father-in-law, and my 2 kids, and then Chris and I. So, full house. Who won?
In a way, we're both winners.
Did you win, Mark?
No.
There we go. Boom.
Cottage chic, my friends. Take down my hair. Oh, I didn't even get like a ponytail bump. Or at least not a terrible one anyway. And I'll show you guys kind of a little bit of the outside. So here is the outside of the cottage. So pretty. This is an extension. And we go down here. There's a nice hot tub. And then over here we have a swing set, which the kids have been obsessed with. They've been having so much fun on it. And then here we have the beach volleyball court that people have been playing on. And we have paddle boats and canoes and rafts, and that's like a lily pad thing, the blue thing. And over here is where we had our little campfire place. It was super buggy. Didn't love that as much. And honestly, that's where we've been spending most of our time. It has been a lot of fun just sort of spending time outdoors versus inside the cottage, which is also very lovely. But like, look at it outside. I don't want to leave. And here we have the beautiful kitchen. Looks out over the water. But is one kitchen not enough? Well, don't worry, because 2 kitchens. There's a kitchen in the basement as well as like a whole bunch of bedrooms and everything. Seriously, this place just goes on forever. Oh my gosh, I forgot to show you the ping-pong room. And also Mark. Hi, Mark. This right here is what we've been deeming the ping-pong room. It is like completely soundproof here, and the room right above, we've been playing games and everything down there and having ping pong tournaments. And that's it. I am now ready for photos, and then I'm gonna jump in the lake. Thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Love you all. Mwah.